Well, guys, another warm welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon. It has been a minute since I've had a long video, but if you haven't been checking out my OMAD journey short videos, I've been posting those like almost every week. Yeah, please check them out because you know what? I decided to do one meal a day and it is going so well for me. And I would encourage you and challenge you this holiday season to actually try that. But, anyways, in today's video, guys, my house is in disarray because I am trying to clean up and get ready for Thanksgiving. For the first time in a long time, I'm going to be hosting Thanksgiving in my home. And so I am super excited. But then I have a lot of cleaning to do and a lot of prep work to do. So I'm not going to bore you in this video to actually show you everything that I'm going to be doing or I'm going to be cleaning, but I just want you guys to see the before and then I will show you guys the after video after we've um, cleaned up and organized everything. I'm doing a lot of laundry, and if I can start from my family room or living room, I am looking to clean all of this, wash all of the cushions, the covers, So I'm going to be cleaning this up, but most of it is going to be laundry, putting in the washer, and then drying them, and then putting them back in my dining room. Yeah, kids are doing homework and everything. Yeah, how do you guys like these chairs? I just got them. These two chairs. I just got them from a company. I'm gonna have to be doing a review, but I put them together, and honestly, I am loving that the gold and the black together with these four chairs. I think they look really cool, but once again, I need to do a lot of cleaning, so I'm going to be cleaning my velvet chairs. This tool here, if you do not have this basil little green, yeah, it does the job. In my kitchen, what I started to do was empty my cabinet that had my glassware. They are in the dishwasher washing. Um, I'm going to be cleaning my oven. So actually, I'm going to be setting that up right away to just self clean. It's a self clean oven, so I would just turn it on. Um, yeah, I'm getting all the dishes that I need for Thanksgiving, my bakeware, all of that done. Um, and then up by the stairs, I have a lot going on here. I mean, my powders like grew so much and it overtook the entire window. So I am going to be cleaning this window and figuring out what I'm gonna do. But I actually cut off a um chunk of the leaves off. Some of them were so look at how thick this is. Look at all of that. Yeah. So I might actually save some of the stems and actually start them growing them in water. But I am looking to actually clean this window and reorganize it. Once again, I have a lot of work ahead of me. So I am going to be showing you guys, I've shown you guys the before, and then I'll come back and show you guys the after video. Guys, and that concludes all the cleaning that I had to do to prep my house for Thanksgiving. Next week, I am so excited to be hosting a party. I haven't done it in a long time. I am going to be showing you guys just last round to see how everything turned out. Guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe, like, and hype the video when you watch it, because that really helps us grow on this YouTube streets. Guys, until next time, happy Thanksgiving and peace to you and your family.